Today, we're going to give you a look at our affiliate module and show you how it operates. On the screen, we're logged into two browsers, one as a regular organization, which we'll call the affiliate sender, and the other as a different organization, the affiliate receiver. The main difference between them is that the affiliate receiver has limited access and can't create new reservations. Let's go over an example. As the affiliate sender, if we want to forward a booking from our calendar to an affiliate partner, we first need to be connected with them via our affiliate module. Here's how. Go to the affiliate section, click on the Add button, enter the affiliate partner's ID, and send a request. Once accepted, you're connected. Now go to the calendar, select the reservation you wish to forward, click the three dots in the top corner, choose Send via Affiliate, pick the receiving partner, specify the vehicle, price, currency, and leave a note if needed. Once sent, a LimoExpress logo icon will appear on the reservation, indicating it's pending with the affiliate until they accept or reject it. After sending, your partner gets an email notification. Now, let's switch to the affiliate receiver role. They have access to nearly all features, but unless they're LimoExpress users, they can't create new reservations, and offers and GNet access are also disabled. When the affiliate receiver checks their calendar, they'll see the pending reservation we just sent. Opening it, they'll find options to accept or reject the ride. After accepting, they can edit details, assign a driver, print it, and mark it as done. The affiliate receiver can also add their fleet with details and new users like drivers, but they can't create reservations. If they want full access, they can simply click the yellow banner, choose a package that suits them, and become a LimoExpress user. Otherwise, they can continue using the affiliate network for free in the receiver mode.